Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Medical Classes by Dr. Srinidhi Kumar Acharya. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also please give your valuable comments. You can also visit the playlist. In the playlist I have provided all the discussed topics so far in a very systematic order, which is very convenient for study purpose. Anyway, we are looking into the Atma Lingas or Atma Gunas of the doshas. In that series we are looking at the Vataja Atma Lingas. One of the Atma Linga, that is Sramsa. That is Atma Lingas are always the Vata Prakopa Lakshanas. So one of the thing is Sramsa, and what actually mean by Sramsa? Sramsa refers to Shaitya and so many things we have seen in the last class. So today we will see one more important Atma Linga, Sramsa Swapa. Swapa. Swapa is another Atma Linga of the Vata Guna. What is the meaning of Swapa? Another presentation of the Vata is Swapa. The meaning of Swapa is Sparsha Ajnana. Swapa refers to Sparsha Ajnana, absence of a sensory perception. Okay, Sparsha Ajnana. Now, Sparsha Ajnana can occur in both Vata Vriddhi and as well as Vata Kshaya also. Okay, in Vata Vriddhi also there is Sparsha Ajnana, and Vata Kshaya, as in case of autism and all, there is also Sparsha Ajnana will be there. So totally this suggests the loss of sensations. There is loss of sensation. So when this is present, it indicates the increase in the Shita Guna of the Vayu. Okay. So when Swapa is there, there is absence of perception. Vata Guna Kshaya is there. Okay. So that is again there is Shita is Tata Ruksha Lagu Shita. Shita is already there in the Vata. When Shita Guna of this Vata increases to more extent, more than the normal expected, then it leads to Swapa. Again, the treatment is Snigdha and Ushna Guna, because Shita has to be brought under control by means of Snigdha and Ushna Guna. Okay, Snigdha Ushna, Ushna Snigdha. So Tailas are very good example for Ushna Snigdhas. So which can be given by either Lavana or Amla Rasa drugs, or we can go through by Lavana as well as Amla Rasa drugs, which are imparting the Snigdha and as well as Ushna Gunas, so to control that over increased Shita. So this is what happens in case of swap. Ruk, Toda and Beda. These are the another set of gunas in Vata dosha. Ruk, Toda and Beda. These are the other Vata Prakopa Lakshanas. This indicates that there is excess increase in the Chala and the Shita Guna. There is Ruk, Toda and Beda. Chala Guna is increased and as well as Shita Guna is also increased. Hence the treatment should be imparting again Ushna Guna. So when you go for the Ushna, Ushnam Vatahara, isn't it? Ushna is Vatahara. So many Ushna preparation, counter irritation, application of so many ointments or balm, what we are doing, or even Svedana. So they are imparting the Ushna Guna, okay, or any Ushna Jalapana. So they decrease the Ruk, Toda and Beda. Another symptom which is in case of Atma Linga of a Vata is Sangha. Very important symptom, Sangha. It is told that Sangha will be always cause the cell damage. Vayu Visheshena Shosha Snayu Adishuhu. Okay, Vayu Sangha of the Vayu will going to cause the cell damage. Snayu Adishu Shosha. Shosha means cell damage or damage. Okay, so Sangha is also Avarodha. Sangha is also called as Avarodha. So Ashtanga says that Mutra Purusha Swa Ashraye Anisaraha. That is called as Sangha. Vak Sangha is also seen. Vak Sangha. Kashyapa explains Vak Sangha, Vakshaya, Vak Sangha. Explained for speech disorders. Okay, so Sangha is there everywhere. Some obstruction, block, maybe mechanical, functional, structural blockage. So that will be there. So in this case, there is an increase in the Shita Guna. Whenever there is Sangha is there is increase in the Shita Guna of the Vata and the Rukshva qualities of the Vata. So there is increase in the Shita and as well as Ruksha qualities of the Vata. See, Shita is also there in Vata and Ruksha is also there in Vata. So because of Shita and Ruksha qualities, there will be obstruction of the Vata. So treatment should be given by Snigdha Guna and Ushna Guna again. Snigdha to combat the Ruksha. Ruksha can also cause the what do you say, Sangha. And Shita when increase, definitely it causes Sangha. So treatment is to relieve the Sangha, you have to go for Ushna Guna and Snigdha Guna. Snigdha Guna to decrease the Ruksha Guna and Ushna Guna to release the Shita Guna, so that Sangha can be removed. So we have to go for Madhura Rasa drugs. In terms of drugs, if you are talking, we have to go for Madhura drugs. Maybe Swarna, if this particular Sangha causing cell damage, degeneration, etc. is there, then we have to go for some important drugs which can combat the cell damage, like this Swarna may be there, Shira Bala, etc. Shira, then Bala preparations. Ushna Dravyas like Vacha can be also given at conditions. So Vak Sangha, for example, Vak Sangha is there. Vacha is best. Why? Because Vacha acts by its Ushna Guna and relieves the Sangha. Shita is causing the Sangha. That Shita Guna is relieved by because of the Ushna Guna of the Vacha. Because it is Tikshna. So in case of Vata, increase in the Ruksha Guna leads to Sangha. Baddha Vinmutra leads to Sangha. Okay, see, these are the different aspects. In case of Vata, even the Ruksha Guna increase in the Vata may lead to Sangha. Okay, Baddha Vinmutra can also lead to Sangha, like constipation. So why it is happening? That is because of increase in the Ruksha Guna of the Vata. So treatment. Now, see, for example, constipation. Why the constipation is there? There is increase in the Ruksha Guna. How, sir, it is possible? Yes. When the stool says there, when extra amount of the water which is the stool is get absorbed by the large intestine, when the stool bulk get decreased, there is no mechanical stimulation for the mucus or peristalsis to move on, because bulk of the stool is decreased by the Rukshva qualities of the Vata, which leads to excess absorption of the water. Excess absorption of the water leads to Ruksha Guna, and the stool get dried up, and that leads to constipation. Again, the treatment, it is because of increase in the Ruksha Guna of the Vata, the treatment is by Madhurasa drugs, like Lavan Rasa or Amla Rasa. So which leads to Srishta Vinmutra, by its Snigdha Guna, imparting the Snehana and Brahmana quality. I hope you understand. Another quality of the Vata is nothing but Kampa. Yes. This occurs when Vata, the Ruksha Guna of the Vata increases, and this Ruksha Guna irritates the Snayu. There is increase in the Ruksha Guna of the Vayu. This increase in Ruksha Guna, so that irritates the Snayu, and as a result there is a Kampa. There is increase in the Ruksha and Lagu Guna of the Vayu. Not only Ruksha, Lagu Guna is also increased. So again, what is the treatment? Treatment is Snigdha, Madhura Rasa drugs like Shirabala drugs. Shirabala or some other drugs. Sankocha is one more quality of the Vata, which occurs when increase in the Shita and Ruksha Guna. Increase in the Shita and Ruksha Guna leads to Sankocha of the Snayu, etc. It is mentioned as Aprasaryatvat, that is absence of the relaxation of the muscle. Only contraction taking place. Continued contraction leads to spasticity. Spasticity when continued leads to contractures. Contractures when continued lead to deformity. Okay, so basically the Ruksha quality and as well as Lagu quality of the Vata is increased. So in this context, the treatment is again Ushna and Snigdha. Snigdha is to combat the Ruksha, and Ushna is to combat the Shita. This is can be given by Snehana and Svedana. So simply Snehana and Svedana import the same thing. When you do the Snehana and Svedana, the Ruksha and as well as Shita Guna of the Vata is get decreased. Similarly, we have the Vata Gunas like Sushiratva, which means Sarandratva. Sushiratva means Sarandratva, that is holes are increased. And this condition, Tikta Rasa is indicated. Tikta Rasa is indicated because Tikta is known to produce the Karatva in the Asti. Okay, Tikta Rasa is known to produce the Karatva in the Asti. Therefore, in such condition, like osteomalacia, maybe, or osteoarthritis like conditions, okay, or some other bony conditions, bony related pathologies, we have to go for Tikta Rasa. Tikta Rasa is known to have the produce the Karatva in the Asti. So that means Asti becomes stronger. The Sushiratva will be decreased. Because Tikta Rasa is Ruksha, Shita and Lagu. Tikta Rasa is Ruksha, Shita. Tikta Rasa is also Ruksha. If you take more Tikta Rasa, the body becomes Ruksha. It is also Shita and also Lagu. So Ruksha can manifest as either Karatva, then you have to go for Snigdha Guna Chikitsa, or Ruksha can also manifest in another form called as Parushatva, where the treatment is Madhurasa. Okay, now we have got two types of major clinical presentations of the Vata, so that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.